Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. And today this is I guess like the final update, at least for now, on the tractor. I got it all painted up.
Slow down.
And yeah, I mean, I think it looks nice. So yeah, looking good. Got everything painted. Took a while. I didn't do nothing for a couple weeks because I was being just lazy. So my grandpa kept asking, when are you going to finish it? And then I finished it up. So yeah, I mean, it looks good. I think I'm going to take a little video of me pulling around the little trailer that I showed you guys before. Alright, well, I lost the key, but we found it. So this is going to be the first startup, hopefully, since last time. So we'll see how it goes. And I'm getting some reinforcements from our neighbor's sprinkler. Alright, let's see. Put this on a little bit. Alright, let's try it out. Try it right up. Start it right up. Sure. Just what you see there is what they'll see.
Oh. Go ahead, back up. Slow it down. Good. Put it in neutral, we'll roll it.
Should I shut it off?
Sure.
Well, started right up.
Here.
Very good.
You.
Put it right there. It'll be in the video now. Oh, you want to roll it?
Yeah, just roll it back.
I put the park brake on it. I did a little better than last
Oh,
time.
hold it right there. That's good. Yeah. Now we'll get over there, let it down. You'll go right on.
I did a lot better than last time.
Yeah. You'll be able to push it over like that. Oh, there it is.
And I forgot to show you guys last time when I was showing you the trailer that these bolts don't get in the way, so you can still put it up. It doesn't lock into place all the way because of the wood, and can't go the other way because of the wheel. But I mean, it's good enough.
This is good right here.
Yeah.
Go ahead.
Alright, here you go. Oh yeah, that'll help, huh? Is there one on the other side?
I don't know. It's a 64 Buick Special rear. No!
I'm really good at this.
Want me to try it?
Sure.
Here, take the camera.
As you guys can see, I got a lot of practice with backing up trailers. And by a lot of practice, I got like one time. Grandpa's gonna show us how it's done. That's first. Yeah, down is reverse. Down and to the left. Yeah. You want reverse, right? Oh, okay. Watch out your shoelace. Pro is showing us how it's done. See if I got a clutch after this. I'm gonna have to replace that clutch. That's probably the next thing. Next thing we're gonna have to do to it. I was just saying I gotta replace the clutch. Feel this? Alright guys, sorry about that. I had to cut it, help my grandpa. The clutch is definitely the next thing that we're gonna have to eventually do to this. It's definitely not, the clutch isn't good enough to be pulling the trailer around. But we got the trailer back in place. So yeah, that's it for this video. I'm gonna add on a clip of us fixing our neighbor's lawnmower, but that only took like a couple seconds to fix that thing. So we'll have that video, but that'll only be like a minute. So that'll come after this. And so yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and watch the next clip, and hopefully I think I filmed an outro last time. Alright, see you guys. We'll see you in the next clip. Working on my neighbor's lawnmower with my grandpa, because he said it's leaking oil. This is cracked, so we might weld that. And then, I don't know if he said it ran or not, but I think he said it didn't ran, so we're going to try and get it running. So we're going to try and start it now. I just put some oil in it because it was really low. So, yep. Well, that was a super easy fix. We took took the spark plug out because my grandpa saw stuff coming out of the exhaust, and the cylinder was filled up with water. So yeah, all we did was take the spark plug out, pull it a bunch of times, get all the water out of there, and then used a little bit of starting fluid, started right up. Everything works. Didn't look like it was leaking any oil. I don't see any oil on the ground. And looks like it burns a little bit, but everything does that, you know. So yeah, I think Joel lifted out in the rain and was just running down and then going into the cylinder. I mean, it runs good. So I don't know, everything works on it. So I think it's fixed. Well, yep. So like I said, everything works, and just checked the oil again, and it's good. And I looked underneath, and it's not leaking, and there's nothing over here. I didn't see any wet spots underneath when I checked, so it's just burning a little bit of oil. Yeah, so that's pretty much it. All we did is take the spark plug out, get the water out of there, and then started right up, a little bit of starting fluid, and it ran perfect. So my grandpa's going to sharpen it later after we go to church, and then we'll give it back to Joel, because we can't really fix this because it's all rusty. So you'd have to buy like the sheet metal and like cut out probably most of this to replace it. So it's not that bad. I mean, it's not like it's bending or nothing. So just leave that, and yeah, it's good. Put a little bit of gas in there, you know. So yeah, it'll be a little video, kind of short, you know, but there wasn't much to do to it. So that's it. Thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Comment down below if you've ever been lucky enough to have a super easy fix like that. Just take the spark plug out, get the water out, and then that's pretty much it. That's all we did. Alright, see you guys. Bye.